Americans believe they will need $1.46 million to retire. But look at the data. Pranav Benefit TV, welcome back. Retirement in America just got way more expensive. Experts say you now need $1.46 million to retire comfortably. And that number jumped by $2 lakh in just 1 year. Why the retirement magic number exploded. A new 2026 study from Northwestern Mutual revealed something shocking. Americans now believe they need around $1.46 million to retire comfortably. That's about $2 lakh more than last year. So why did the number rise so fast? The answer is simple: inflation, rising healthcare costs, longer lifespans, and fear about the future of social security. Everything is becoming more expensive, and people are realizing retirement may last much longer than previous generation expected. Many Americans believe they could live into their 90s or even to 100-year old. That means retirement savings may need to last 30 to 40 years. And the longer people expect to live, the more pressure they feel to save. Retirement today is no longer just about stopping work. It's about funding an entirely new phase of life for decades. Most Americans still don't feel ready, even though retirement targets are rising. Many Americans still feel comfortably unprepared. Nearly half of Americans say they don't believe they will be financially ready for retirement, even more worrying. Almost 1 in 4 people with retirement savings have saved less than 1 year of their current income. That means many workers are far behind where they think they should be. Gen X, the generation closest to retirement, feel the most pressure. Some are delaying retirement completely because of financial concern. At the same time, younger generation like Gen Z are more optimistic, but even their confidence has starting falling compared to previous years. People know retirement is important, but many people overwhelmed and unsure about how to catch up. The fear is not just about money itself, it's about uncertainty and whether their future income will truly be enough. Americans fear outliving their savings. One of the biggest fear Americans have today is running out of money before they run out of life. Almost half of Americans believe it's likely they could outlive their retirement savings. That fear becomes even stronger when people think about living longer than previous generation. Imagine retiring at 65 and needing your money to last another 35 years or more. That's a huge financial challenge. Millennial and Gen X feel this pressure the most. Surprisingly, many people still have not taken steps to prepare for this possibility. Experts say longer life expectancy change everything about retirement planning. It's no longer enough to simply save money. You need a strategy that can survive inflation, market crashes, healthcare costs, and unexpected life events over several decades. Without a clear plan, the fear of outliving your money become very real. Why financial advisor increase confidence? Here's something interest from the study. People who work with financial advisor feel much more confident about retirement. In fact, Americans with advisor are far more likely to understand inflation, taxes, healthcare costs, and stock market risks. They were also more likely to believe they will actually retire comfortably. Why? Because planning creates clarity. Instead of guessing they have a roadmap, many people without a financial plan feel lost because they don't know how much they need or what step to take next. Advisory help break retirement into manageable pieces: saving goals, investment strategy, income planning, and risk protection. And according to the data, people with advisor even expect to retire earlier than those without one. The message is clear: retirement confidence does not come from luck, it comes from preparation and structure. Working during retirement is becoming normal. Retirement itself is also changing today. Many Americans don't expect to completely stop working after retirement. In fact, about 41% say they plan to continue working in some way during retirement. But surprisingly, money is not the only reason. Many people say they want to stay active, useful, and mentally stimulated. Others want extra money to maintain their prepared life. Some even plan to start a new career or fashion project later in life. Retirement is shifting from stop work forever to creating a more flexible lifestyle. This trend is especially strong among millennials and Gen X. Instead of traditional retirement, people are thinking about part time work, consulting, freelancing, or side business. The idea of retirement today is becoming more personal and adaptable than ever before. AI, career, and retirement anxiety. Another major concern affecting retirement planning is artificial intelligence. Many Americans, especially younger workers, are worried about how AI could impact their career and future income. Almost half of Gen Z workers say they feel pessimistic about AI effect on jobs. People fear automation could change industry, reduce opportunity, or create financial instability over time. At the same time, some experts believe AI could also create new opportunity and improve productivity. But regardless of whether people are optimistic or worried, one thing is clear: career uncertainty is making retirement planning harder. When people don't feel secure about their future income, saving for retirement becomes even more stressful. This is why experts say flexibility and long term planning are now more important than ever before in today's rapidly changing world. Final lesson: retirement is about strategy, not just money. The biggest lesson from the study is simple: retirement is no longer just about hitting a certain number. Yes, $1.46 million sound huge, but money alone does not guarantee security. Real confidence comes from having a flexible plan, understanding your goal, and preparing for uncertainty, inflation, healthcare costs. Longer life expectancy and market risks have made retirement more complicated than ever before. But experts say people are not powerless. Starting early, saving consistently, investing wisely, and building a clear strategy can make a massive difference over time. Retirement is not about preparation, it's about preparation. The sooner people understand that, the more control they will have over their future, because in the end, financial freedom does not come from guessing, it comes from planning with purpose. Bye bye.